Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I promise you guys I'm gonna make sure I share what I look at. Today is gonna be like a bit of different, and why do we need to get for a confirmation before we take a trade? Like even if you have your level, like your point of interest, and then you say, okay, I want to take a trade here, maybe because all the confirmation I have and everything that is on place, it's confirmed that I can take a trade here. So today I'm just gonna prove you something like why do we need to wait for a confirmation, because confirmation is more important. If you guys remember correctly, on the last video I was saying I had this level as my target from the buy that I bought here and the one that I took somewhere here, if I'm not mistaken. Why do you have to get for those confirmation? And another thing, you're gonna ask yourself a question like here, for people that they are doing SNR, they're gonna say to you, okay, this was resistance, whatever. And plus we've got an engulfing that was being manipulated, and it was a very strong level for someone to take, let's say, a sell position, a continuation position, as you can check, something like this. So like most of the people, they were waiting for that. Even me, I was looking like the same way, and then I end up realizing something like okay, yes, I'm waiting for that, but what about this area? You see, so this also was one of the area I was also monitoring, to look and try to see if market is gonna give me a better solution. There is something we do every time. Let's say you have markets that come like this. You have a break of structure. So many people, they're gonna have a target here. So how do you take a trade from here? Not because just market get here, then you wanna take it thinking like maybe it's gonna go to the downside. No, we don't do that. So the most important things that we do is gonna be, we see how market is going to this area. If market is compressing, or maybe market come this closer and give you maybe a double top or something like that, then what you're gonna do, you see how market is approaching your key level for you to be able to take a trade. Sometimes you're gonna see market is gonna give you all this stuff that you want. The only thing that you need to put in mind is that we don't know which one is going to hold, because if everyone knew that this one is going to hold, this time everyone's supposed to be a rich person. But there is also some meat or some kind of things that always happen that require you as a professional trader to understand what is happening and be more careful and pay attention to whatever market is showing you, because the only thing that you're going to check is going to be a momentum, and it's going to be how market react to your level. But what if market get here, give you everything that you need, then market break? Already when market break a significant level, it's a signal to say that maybe I want to sell, or maybe I want to continue going to the downside, or maybe I want to continue going up. It's a signal. Sometimes you're going to see, you expect the market to hold at this key level, but maybe there was another somewhere there, then market get there and drop huge. So you just need to know, like, why are you using that point of interest? What is happening? What is there that is it's calling you to go and get to that area? That is what you need to pay attention to, because you're gonna see maybe sometimes market is going to the upside, then market create again another level like this. So if market create another level like this, the only target is gonna be this area. Then you're gonna see market just come and break this zone, then push again to the upside. So when it's pushed to the upside, we've got a level, let's say maybe a liquid, maybe a point of interest here. This is when you're gonna get a sell, because you got all the confirmation. Then you target maybe the low of this area for you to be able to catch another movement to go to the upside. So it also happened like that, but the only thing that you need to understand is to pay more attention to everything that market is showing you. So if you get more attention to what market is showing you, then it's gonna be proper. And also another thing is gonna be, we have this goal, then market already break this area. This is gonna be your target. Then market show you a momentum, then leave a point of leave a level of liquidity, then try to go to the upside a bit, then come down and take it over like this. So this is a sort of continuation that normally happen in the market. I believe I showed these things like most of in my videos. Like if you expect something and it doesn't happen like the way you expect it, then what do you do? So you just have to see what market is showing you and what market is presenting to you, so that you can be able to take your trade on the other level. And this is what happened here. If you may ask me, like, okay, we saw you took a trade here. I believe I did explain. If you haven't watched the previous video, make sure you go watch the previous video, because this one was a level that I was monitoring to say, okay, maybe market is gonna come here, then we're gonna start selling. You're gonna even ask yourself, like, oh, how do you expect market to sell there? We had all this, because if you go to low time frame, let's say H4, you're gonna see this is a level. Let me show you. This is a level of liquidity that was perfect for someone to come and say, okay, I've got everything. You see all these things. I've got everything. Market break structure and other things. But check what happened when market gets to the upside. Yes, this is gonna be a proper sell. We can sell and get a lot of money, but it doesn't give a proper sell that you understand that, okay, market was creating, some sort of like this, then you're gonna drop to the downside more and like going to the upside. Instead of that, market was just stuck in one place. When it is stuck in one place, it's already a signal to show that, okay, I'm not moving, I'm still here. Then market fly. Same story again that happened here. Same story again that happened here and the one happened here. You have a level where you are expecting market to come and sell. But check what happened. Market get there and break the level, then fly to the upside. You've got this level again where we're expecting that maybe market is going to sell. But check this candlestick, the way it's break. So now if we check, this was the level that we expected and what happened here. So if you check from here, what happened? You're going to see before market break this zone, there was a sort of confirmation that was there. So we're gonna look at it together and we see what happened. You see we've got a sort of QML. If you go to line chart, you're gonna see there is a QM there. Can you see? Then market break the QM. Market return to come and look for a point of interest that help the market to break this zone. Market carrier, we've got a point like a liquidity. So if we keep on going down, then we're gonna see a best level that market use here. So before I show you guys how I took an entry here, I just want to show you something. It's gonna be on my Telegram. This is it. You're gonna see I have a buy here and I have a sell this side. So you're gonna ask yourself a question: how did you take that one? So how did you ignore this? This is what I'm trying to explain to you. So when the market gets here, we go to daily time frame. The only thing I was monitoring, I said to myself, market is already showing me two signals. Like the point that I was looking, they fell. This one fell and this one fell. If you can check, this one was so much clean. Then I say, okay, since market show me like this one fell, what am I gonna do? I need to wait for a point where market is gonna give me a break structure and continuation. Then I'm gonna take a level. So I start monitoring this area. I had my zone that was there. Then where is the level? I think I was here. Then I start monitoring my zone here. The only thing I was monitoring was this one. I was looking at, you see this one. If market can give me a break of this, if market give me a break, then I'm gonna sell exactly here where there is that line. And if you check my entry, you're gonna see it's almost exactly where there is that line, because normally I understand that is a point. So that was oh, sorry guys. So normally I understand that was the key level. So if market manipulate the key level, they always come back to the key level. Can you see? That's what I did. So when I see the like this, I normally use line chart more. I use line chart. So I go to line chart. I say, okay, this was, you see, this was the area that I'm monitoring if market can come and break. This one come all the way, then did not break, it went up. But this one come and break. So when this one break, all this area start from here to here, it become the point of interest that I'm going to monitor and how I need to take a trade. This way you can see my entry is just somewhere here So even if you go to H1, you're gonna see there it was now showing clear. Like here there was a sort of break of structure, then market come to the downside. You see there was a sort of a clean break of structure. Can you see? So like the pattern that we normally look, so it's something like this. Then we take out the low. And what about this one? All this. If you go to another time frame, maybe 30 minutes or whatever, you're gonna see like their full candlestick. Then I took my trade there. When I took my trade there, my stop loss was just above. That was where my stop loss was. So because like as I was saying, all this zone was my point of interest where I'm gonna look for me to be able to take the trade. Why this zone? If you check on H1, you're gonna see here we had this kissing candlestick, but what happened on this kissing candlestick? This area here break the kissing candlestick, so already it's already a point of interest also. So something like this, can you see? Something like this, it's a point of interest that break another point of interest. So market just return back to that area, we take the entry, then we go to the downside, it start accumulating. You wait for a confirmation. Like waiting for a confirmation doesn't do anything. This low was the one that produced this high. If you want to take a quick entry, maybe sometimes this why we are normally end up losing. So you wait for market to come and break this low. Market is already give a sort of liquidity, whatever we shit we call. You're gonna see. Then this area, it will become your point of interest. When you wait for your confirmation, yes, sometimes you're gonna wait for too long. But what about if you rush here? You see, you rush, you come to the downside, then markets come and kick you. We don't know that this is gonna happen. But the only thing you need just to understand the market on a higher time frame. Then from higher time frame, that is the one that is gonna give you the best solution. Imagine since I took the entry here, and I have to wait for all these things to happen. What I do most of the time, because I don't have time to sit in front of my computer, so when I take the trade, I just take it and I forget. What I'm doing, I just wait to see what market is gonna do. I place my stop loss and I'm done. So I'm gonna show you guys what do you call um what do you call you're gonna see why I've already placed my stop loss. So after I place my stop loss, me, I just wait. Can you see my stop loss is just below here? This way I place my stop loss. So I'm waiting. This was day number 2 after I take my entry. It was somewhere here. You see, day number 2. Today is day number 3. Is there. But when I have more time in front of my computer, I don't think I'm gonna do these things. The only thing that I'm gonna do is gonna be maybe, let's say, daily targets, what I'm trying. But most of the time, daily target, I'm gonna do it on gold because I haven't been trading gold for so long. Normally when I take a break, when I come back to trading, I always start with V75 so that I can, I can do the best I can. Sorry, my son will keep on coming here. So this is what I normally do, and I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. The pattern that I normally wait is this: you wait for liquidity taken, we have the break of structure, the market return to the point of interest, then you take it. Maybe even if you get another confirmation here, it's gonna be also bad for you to know to target this low, yeah, also. So sometimes you're gonna see when market was coming to the downside, maybe it creates something like this. You see, it creates taken liquidity, the break of structure, they leave another liquidity. Maybe this one, it won't take this low. So it's gonna also get it. But you look at it, how market is coming here. Then when it's a break, you take it to the upside again. So I hope this one is making sense to someone. Like when you have a point of interest, it doesn't mean that that point of interest normally you just have to take the trade when market get there. No, you just have to monitor what is happening at your key level. This is all the scenario. You're gonna see yourself all this. They are very a typical example of what you need to look at. And this one was a perfect entry because this time I was not trading. After we break this low, then market return here to continue selling. Imagine if you could just get this trade up until the downside. I know so many people, they explain to you guys about the engulfing, they explain about the what do you call hidden base or the kissing candlestick, but they don't explain to you which one you must use and which one is gonna hold your trade. That is the big headache of let me just give you something here. I'm gonna show you something, guys. So maybe you're gonna ask yourself a question like, why this one hold? You see, why this one hold and why not this one? You see, this is the best question you need to ask yourself. And why this one also hold? Can you see? Why this one hold? And maybe why another one did not hold? You need to have all those questions in your mind to understand, like, so go to your chart, try to understand what is happening and what is gonna happen, and why maybe this one is going to hold and why the other one doesn't hold. You see, so you need to ask yourself all those questions, like normally most of the time, like, what is happening, like why this one hold, maybe another one did not hold. Those are the questions. Because if someone explained to you like when you trade hidden base, you need to take the trade, they don't give you logic behind all those things, then it's a big problem. I did have let's say what do you call I talk. I think you guys remember I show you some of the video, like the way I always have a talk with my friend Moses. So normally when we talk, we discuss about the market. If he has some information, he share with me. If I have some information, I share with him. So normally this is how we help each other. And he was the guy who like show me more about this logic. Like, bro, do you understand why this one hold and why not the other one hold? But this is gonna be your job. Like, you need to go and try to find the logic behind why it's hold and why it's not holding. That is the best question you can ask yourself. Sometimes you're gonna see, like, since they are there, market is gonna make sure it just come and try to react to it. If it's a proper one, market is gonna react to it. If all this is shit, you're gonna see market will normally give you a big of headache. So there is a lot of them, why they are holding sometimes. That is what you need to study. You need to understand all this logic, like what really is happening, really is happening. Even if you check, let's say the support and the resistance and stuff, why some of them they are holding and why the other one they're not holding. You just need to understand the logic behind. Sit in front of your chart, go back to the chart, and you need to understand, like, what is the logic behind this one holding. You see, why this one did not hold. All those kind of stuff. So those are gonna be the proper question that you need to ask yourself. Anyway, guys, I think I just talk a lot, and let's see where market is taking us. Yeah, so sharp, guys. Rest tuned anytime I have something that is amazing, because I've already teach a lot on this channel, but this time I'm just gonna continue showing you what I'm doing, what I'm applying. I'm trying to to take it as simple as I can, because I have no just time. And to all those one who are sending me message like I want to learn from you, me, I don't teach. I've already told you guys a long time ago, I don't teach anymore. Anything you want, it's free on YouTube. I put it on YouTube. But there is people that they are teaching, like my brother Zero Bags Moses. I did make a video for him last time. You can contact him if you wanna learn. Contact him and learn from him. But me, with my busy day, my daily routine, I have no time to teach. I have no time. First, even I don't have time for myself. So it's a bit of problem. Okay, sharp, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Sharp, sharp.